Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my another video, and in this video we are going to look over the problem for interval list intersection. And given a two list of close intervals, each list of intervals is a pairwise disjoint and in a sorted order. Okay, return the intersection of those two interval lists. Okay. Okay, so let me get this straight. First of all, let me get grab both the values. Okay, so this is our A and this is our B, and the result is this. So I think so we need to first of all get the maximum of our start value, right? And um, yeah, so and the second will be to get the minimum part of our second, like first index. This will be a zero index, right? So A and B zero index get a maximum value, and for the first index get the minimum value. And we need to like create separate, I think so, like it will be like separate for loops for that. So yeah, you will have separate for loops like I and j, and I and j we will actually increase only when if it is like we will compare between these parts. Okay, so if it is like something like if it is like lesser than this, then we need to increase this part like I part, and if it is not, then we need to increase our j part. Okay, so yeah, okay, it will all come together when we code this. Okay, so yeah, actually basically kind of understood this problem, not very much pretty sure about this, but okay, let's code it and let's see. Okay. See, okay, so what you can do is you can pause this video and try to code this program on your own, and I will be coding this program in Java language. Okay, so let's code this program, and what we are going to first of all need is a list to get a hold, because actually this is in our output there are particular different arrays, right? So we actually need a list that is going to hold our int arrays. Okay, and right now sorry right now let me call this as intervals new array list. Okay, and now we need actually two different pointers for our a and b, not actually pointers but actually hold of the indexes that we are going to work with, right? So let me just make it I and j. So I j is equals to 0, and we wanna run our loop until we does not like it does not exceed their length. So it will be something like I is lesser than a dot length, and then j is lesser than b dot length. And yeah, now like I told, now we actually need again two different int variables to hold different values. First is going to be max. Sorry, let me keep it small because I don't want to mess up compilation time. So now max start, like I told, we need the maximum of the zero index values, right? So we are going to compare like zero index of a and zero index of b, and whichever has the maximum value we are going to keep that. So it is something like max dot max of a of I and 0, and let's say uh, b of j and 0. Okay, yeah. Now we now need minimum. So 0, comparing between 0 to side 2 and 5. So like first index. So it will be something like int min n is equals to math dot min of a of I1 right now and b of j1. Okay, now uh, actually there's one more thing, like uh, hmm, like we want to actually compare between like these two, like if our max start is actually lesser than the min, then only we should add it to our interval. So let me go ahead and mention that. So start is lesser than equals to min end, then only we need to add. So intervals dot add new int, and yeah, first of all it's going to be max start, then min end. Now we need to increase our pointers. Now our pointers will also be increased on some conditions, like let's say if like second pointer, like if our a of first index is actually lesser than our the b index of 1, so then we should increase the ith value. Let me code this, then it will make sense. Okay, so it will be like something like else if a of I1 is actually lesser than b of I, sorry, not I, it will be j1. So if it is actually lesser, then we want to increase our I. If not, we want to increase our j. Okay, yeah. So now let's say a of I, right? So 1, sorry. So if our this value is actually lesser than our 5 value, then we want to increase our I, because if you see we need 5 5. So that means we should not increase our j, because we need this 5 in a next if a next output array. So that is why we have done that. Now at last we will have all the results in interval, and we simply now need a int result array, and we will just call it res new int, and it is going to be 2, right? So last part. So now we just need of let me keep actually I0, I'm just going to use I. So for int arr is equals to, sorry, not equals to, intervals, and yeah, it should be now. So you want to store at ri plus plus and arr. So it is it's like it's going to capture again every arrays, particular arrays, and it's going to store in our res. And at last we simply wanna return our res, and yeah, we should be good to go. Okay, yeah, sorry about that. Actually, I want to mention the size of this also, so it's going to be something like the intervals of size, and now we should be good, I think so. Memory limit exceeded. Okay, now where did I gone wrong? Memory limit exceeded is like I don't know. Oh, sorry. Actually, I think so. I messed up in here. This should be if, because this is for like this is for increase our pointers, so it should not be else if. This is a separate thing, and this is actually a separate thing. So actually, yeah, I think so. Maybe this was the problem, but I don't know for sure if that was the problem or something. Okay, yeah, it's okay. It's fine. Now let me go ahead and submit this. Okay. Okay, accepted. Okay, that is very good. So yeah, you can go ahead and note the solution. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.